My daughter, my daughter. My daughter, my daughter. Afternoon. How are you?
Yeah.
Good afternoon. How are you? You're welcome. Have a seat. Have a seat. My daughter. You are good. You are good. So, who is this young man?
The person that wants to marry me.
I think I want to marry you.
Yes.
Young man, who are you?
Jesus!
Rosita. I want them mad, okay? So, which state? Where are you from? Which state?
From Lagos State.
Ndemba.
Jesus!
Come to marry my daughter. So, what do you do for a living?
Bloggers.
You're a blogger. Blogger.
Will you keep quiet?
Where's your shop?
How do you use my system?
You use your phone and system to work. Hey, Yahoo.com. So you do Yahoo. So Yahoo is what you are doing. Yahoo cannot marry my daughter.
No, unless I'll run away with him.
See,
Person
Will
that
you
says
keep
no, I'll run away
quiet?
with him.
this man cannot marry. You don't see
He
doctors.
must marry me.
You don't see
I don't
engineers.
like them.
You don't see all these people. Is this
That's why I'm being
son? My son, have a seat. You will marry my daughter. Hey, you will marry my daughter. So when are you coming with your people to meet our people? Next week. Okay, that was very good. Thank you, my son. Hey, son.